Hello, everybody. Myself, Dr. Shivakant Pathak, once more available in front of you to see one more topic, that is capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with dielectric slab between the plate. Clear it is? So we are going to obtain the formula for the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when dielectric slab is placed between the plates. So see carefully how to obtain the concept and formula for this topic. Here two parallel plate capacitor here in the figure. Clear? On one plate there is positive charge and at other there is a negative charge. The positive charge is represented by plus Q and it is a minus Q. The separation between the plate is given here. This separation between the plate is here D. A dielectric slab is placed between the plate. Before putting this dielectric slab, let electric field intensity due to the two parallel charge plate is E0, here represented from positive plate to negative plate between the plate. And a dielectric of thickness T is placed between this. As a result, see, in this dielectric, the dipoles are oriented in such a way that, see carefully the concept here, for these dipoles, realignment, reorientation of the dipole, negative, positive, this is towards positive, negative, positive, this is negative. As a result, a dipole moment is set up within dielectric. The direction of a dipole here in this direction is a P. So internal field E dash is developed. So net electric field within dielectrics, let this is E is equal to E naught minus E dash, and it is represented by equation number 1. Since E dash, which is produced electric field within dielectric whose weakened the field E naught, and it is resultant field is given in this direction E. The resultant electric field within dielectric is E, which is given by this formula. Now some places are vacant with air or vacuum both sides. So within this the electric field is E naught in this direction, in the direction of arrow. So inside the dielectric this and in air or vacuum gap, electric field intensity is E naught. Right? Now see the formula related in this. Let us explain by equation number 1. Since E naught is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. R square is a distance between the plate and the distance between the plate is here given D. d square, right? Distance between the plate, electric field. This is one more formula, and it can also be represented as sigma by epsilon 0, right? This sigma is where sigma is surface charge density on the plate. Density, sigma is surface charge density, and it is given by formula sigma in term of charge. This is epsilon 0 A. See the equation 2. Now this is electric field intensity V. Now capital E similarly can be given as Q by sigma 0 Ka, represented by equation where K is dielectric constant, where K is dielectric constant. This is resultant electric field along P within dielectric. It's clear? I have explained in the phenomena of polarization. When we place a dielectric, this dipole reorient along E. So internal field E dash is developed, whose tendency to weaken the external field E naught. So resultant field becomes E, that is a E naught minus E dash, right? So electric field weakened, it means potential difference also weakened. So net potential difference between the plate. See, focus on the diagram. Potential difference between the gap and between dielectric slab. So total electric field potential difference is potential difference between the dielectric slab. So it is this is E, and its thickness is represented by T here, E into T, plus between the gap, between the gap electric field is E naught. E naught into the gap is, this is a total D and it is a T, so gap is both side is D minus T. Clear? Now we are going to place the value of E and E naught. E is Q by epsilon 0 K into T plus E naught is equal to Q by epsilon 0 A D minus T. Now see carefully, this V is equal to Q by epsilon 0 A, it is in the bracket T by K plus D minus T, D minus T in the bracket. We are going to represent it by equation number 4. Since capacitance is C is given by formula Q by potential. This is a capacitance of parallel plate capacitor partially filled with dielectric, here in this case is given by it. This is equation number 5. So C is equal to Q by this V, Q by epsilon 0 A in a bracket T by K plus D minus T. See, this Q is a cancel, right? The required remaining terms are given here on the next page. So capacitance formula is given by C is equal to epsilon 0 A by T by K plus D minus T. Let it is represented by equation number 6. Now some special case. Special case number 1 we are going to see. This is a general formula when capacitance, this is a formula of capacitance when dielectric slab is placed partially within the plate. This is a formula used, right? Now special case 1, when dielectric slab is placed completely within plates. If when dielectric will be placed completely in this, then in mathematical expression we can say that D is equal to T. If D is equal to T, then what will be the formula? See carefully here in this case. When in that condition, see, this total term becomes 0, then C becomes epsilon 0 A by T by K, or K epsilon 0 K A by, this is D, total is a D. So C becomes epsilon A by D, where this is equation 7 represent, where epsilon is equal to permittivity of medium, epsilon, and this is equal to epsilon 0 into K, where K is a dielectric constant and epsilon 0 is a permittivity of free space. So this is a formula used, either this formula or this, to obtain the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when dielectric slab is placed completely within a field. Right? Now we are going to see second case. What is the second case? When there is no plate, no dielectric slab, electric slab between the plates. It means this implies that complete air gap or vacuum in this. Then see how the formula equation number 6 will change. In that condition, C becomes epsilon 0 by A. This is, see here, epsilon 0 A, not A, by total distance D. So in place of this becomes, K becomes 1. In that condition, K is equal to 1. And this is K is equal to 1 becomes, and D becomes T. So this factor vanished and here K becomes 1. So this is the formula. C is equal to epsilon 0 A by D. Now the third special case. This is equation number 8 we obtain. Now this is the third type equation. What is the third one? If there be a slab of metal, there be slab of metal in place of dielectric. So in place of, if there be a slab of metal in place of dielectric, so if you plate metal in dielectric partially, not completely, then see, in that condition K becomes infinite. This implies that T by K becomes T by infinite is equal to 0. So see how equation 6 can be written as, equation 6 is equal to epsilon 0A. See this equation, this term vanished, becomes 0. So epsilon 0A by D minus T. See the equation number 9. When metal is placed in place of dielectric material partially, if it is metal, here is one sub case here. If metal is placed completely, tell you, in that condition D becomes T. So in that condition C becomes epsilon 0 A by 0. This is equal to infinite. This is C is equal to. Then this implies that capacitance becomes infinite. Now the fourth important case, sometime it is also require us to derive the formula. If piles of dielectric slab is placed between the plates of dielectric constant K1, K2, K3 and so on, and thickness T1, T2, T3 and so on, then in that condition equation C can be written as, and it is also placed partially. This is epsilon 0 A by, see the carefully the formula, it is D minus, see here, in place of T, D minus T it is, so D minus T, in place of T, T1 plus T2 plus T3 and so on, right, plus this is a T by K, so T by K in place T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus T3 by K3 and so on. This is a required formula to calculate, and it is represented by equation number 10, right? So these are the formula to obtain the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor in different cases. But one thing is important, so this is required to see. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor depends on 4 factors. Number 1, A, that is area of plate. Second, distance between plates. It is directly proportional to the area of plate, inversely proportional to the distance of plate, and here is given epsilon 0 permittivity of free space, epsilon 0 and K dielectric constant. So the dielectric slab which is placed, whose dielectric constant is to be effective. So these are 4 parameters on which capacitance of parallel plate capacitor depends. So this is for today. Thank you and have a nice day to all.